So ito po yung Sea of Clouds dito sa Maragusan. Andito po kami ngayon sa Calamba Farm. Okay, so actually no, we started our trip at 4:30 in the morning and we arrived here at almost 6 a.m. But I want you to see this one. No, it is really amazing that we could be able to witness a sea of clouds here. Okay, no, that white portion actually is a, no, yun ay clouds. Okay, so tingnan niyo ang dami pong tao at this very morning, and this is no, today is Monday and still it is a holiday. Okay, no, so yan, no, talagang napakalawak po ng puting ulap. And try to see down there. Okay, so marami siyang mga tanim and it is difficult for me to identify what kind of crop is there, but I am pretty sure that okay, so tingnan ninyo, napakalawak po ng ulap and wow, no, it is really amazing. You could not be able to question the creation of God. Okay. Okay, so yun. No, this is actually the beauty of the place. They are still continuing the construction of the place to make it more appealing to the public. But basically what they are no, kung ano yung pinupunta ng mga tao dito is actually this one. Yan po. Yan. So these are some of the amusement here. So doon sa kabila, let us try to see the monkey.
Papa, my monkey.
A friendly one. Yun. No, andun po siya sa itaas. No? Okay. Ayun. And then, doon banda, meron tayong makikita na mga doves. A multiple of white doves here. Yan. Hi, good morning. Yun, no? Okay, over there, over this part, meron silang mga philodendrons. Yan, oh, di ba? Lumilipad sila. Yun. Buhay na buhay po. Yan sila kumakain sa baba. Yung iba. Wow. So, this philodendron is a red stalk and this is a banana leaf philodendron or green Orlando. Yan, no? Hindi yan nangangagat. So yung iyag yung birahon. Pero pag moduol ka sa iya unya, imo siyang kuanon kanang dili siya, di ka kiiton.
Mamakpaak man siya, pwede naman mo kuan, dili na mo do kay gikuan siya bangko.
Okay.
Pangkaon na nagibili niya nipon niya.
Lagi no, cute kaayo.
Mga puton, mga birahon na.
Basta kuan lang yun, di ka magdalag bag kay ang abrihon.
Ganahan lang siya lalaki, bata lang gawa yung
Lagi anaon niya, oh. Mura siyang maghagok. Oh, manggigil siya bata na babae.
Kaan ka, dalaan na ni George.
Ayun. Agip, ang panit na may natagak ang unod kay nabilin. Bright gid oh. Okay, so ikutin natin. Amo din na siya kanang ang unggoy pag kanang babae nga bata manggigil siya.
Ano man?
Pero friendly siya lalaki.
Ano man?
Na hanggabon jud ka.
Ay, kalabok siya na.
Oh. Pagkagwapo nito, Fi. Yan. No? So this is really amazing, guys, and wow. It's really wow. No, tingnan niyo, no, they are still continuing the construction of the place, no, to make it more appealing to the public. However, the primary view here is this one, no. This is Maragusan, Sea of Clouds, and we are located at Calamba Farm. So for those who wanted to be here, no, try to witness, no, the beauty of this place, and you will really be amazed. Talagang nakaka-amaze po siya. No, ang daming amusement. Okay, so tingnan niyo doon sa pinakaibabaw, no. Meron pa silang ginagawa. However, up to this time hindi pa po siya gawa. Okay? So, thank you so much, guys. And I love you all. I will keep you updating of my tours, may it be local tour or international tour. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and stay safe.